Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're just going to do a small little mystery box unboxing that a subscriber sent to me and to say thank you to 2 letters that were sent my way. So let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, she's an Alfred repeater. Yes, I just got done filming my Boxy Premium and that was the box. But today's my lazy day. Like I said earlier in yesterday's video, it's really crappy weather right now because of Etta that's over us right now. So it's been really crappy weather since Sunday, and it just hasn't gone away, and it's just on and off rain all day, and I just want to curl up into a little ball and wrap myself up and watch Gossip Girl. That's really all I want to do. But I happened to go out to my P.O Box this morning, and I saw there was a box there along with 2 letters. So first, I just want to say thank Julia Belmont for sending this letter my way. It was so sweet, and I look forward to writing you back. And then I also want to give a quick little shout out to this person right here. There's no return address at all. It's a cute little card, and it's from Melissa Clayton. If you're watching this, thank you so much for sending me this beautiful card. I don't have a return address, so I can't write you back, and I want to, but thank you so much. I think it's so sweet. Like I said, you guys never have to send me anything, but whenever you guys do, you guys have no idea like how much it actually means to me. And I look forward to like reading your guys' life and your story, and it's so cool. I feel like it's a way that I get to connect with you outside of YouTube and just get to know who's generally watching me. Like I love whenever anyone DMs me, though now it's really hard to go through my DMs because ever since I got like that person that was trying to impersonate me and like scam my subscribers, my requests are 99 plus. Like I can't even go through all of them. It's really intimidating at this point, and the more that I've grown, the more DMs that I get, especially if I have any giveaways, and it could just be really overwhelming. So I try to get through them the best that I can, and if I don't respond back to you, please know that I do see your DM. It gets really overwhelming, and I have really bad anxiety, and I don't know, sometimes it just takes a lot mentally to get through every single DM, not to mention respond back to all my YouTube comments that I can, and it could just take its toll sometimes, but please know that I see each and every one of them, and I love you guys so much, and I try my best. But whenever you guys do write me letters, I do write you back, because I think it's such a cool moment. And like whenever you guys DM me and I actually get to like see your face, I'm like, you're so beautiful. Like I love seeing your guys' faces because each and every one of you is so beautiful, and I'm like, oh, I'm so blessed. I have such a beautiful community. So with that said, I got a small little care package right here. This is from Stacy, and I did open it and I read her letter. First off, I love the fact that Stacy wrote me a letter, like she typed it out and printed it. Like I thought that was so sweet because I legit would do the same thing, because if anyone's got a card from me, like a letter, I have chicken scratch as handwriting. Like it looks like a 5-year-old wrote it. But I originally wasn't going to film this, but then she said, please don't read parts of my line out loud. They're too much info for everybody. So I was like, oh, it's like a little mystery box. And it's a very cute mystery box. So I'm actually not going to read this letter out loud. I actually read it personally, and I'll be talking to Stacy privately. But thank you so much, Stacy. So this is just a small little box that she put together, like a little care package. She said whatever I don't want or don't use, I can go ahead and put into a No Waste Wednesday. So that's always so sweet. The first thing that I see though are these Kit Kats. Now, I love Kit Kats. Who does not like Kit Kats? They are like the best. I'm not gonna lie, I have a bag of Kit Kats in my pantry right now. Thanks, Halloween. But thank you so much. I love Kit Kats. They're so good. Oh my god. She put in little Reese's in here. Oh my god. I'm telling you, I took 4 at a time. I was like, my subscribers, I think they're trying to give me cavities and trying to make me fat at the same time. You know what? I love each and every second of it. Bring it. All right, next, she sent over a Burt's Bee Vanilla Bean Moisturizing Lip Balm. Now, what's actually really cool is I do have a few of these on my nightstand, but so does Corey, because Corey, this is like the only chapstick that he uses because he just doesn't like having like chapstick. He likes having this. So it is a vanilla bean flavor. Ooh, that smells really nice. Very refreshing. Thank you so much. You can never ever have enough chapsticks. Like seriously, I love chapsticks. I'm actually gonna put that right there. All right, next there is Ink Airy Velvet. this product. What is this? I think it's like an eyeshadow. I think it's like an eyeshadow. I don't know what this is. Ink Airy Velvet number 9. I don't know what it is, but I think it's like an eyeshadow or lippy. But that's actually really cute. It's like a little baby bottle. Super cute. All right, next there is a Lucky Bamboo. This is Jugomi 9 times oil to milk cleanser. What? This refreshing oil magically transforms into smooth, deep cleansing milk following the application of water. Complexion is left feeling soft, silky, and looking radiant. Apply to dry skin, apply warm water and rub gently in a circular motion. Oil will change to a milky consistency. That's actually really cool. I've never even heard of this brand before. I have heard of something like this. Care does something very similar to this type of style. So that's actually really cool. Thank you so much. Next, there is a cute little heart. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so squishy. It's like a little stress ball. I don't think this is meant to be a stress ball, but oh, bitch. Is it my stress ball? Squeeze, stress ball. That is nice. Okay. All right, so there's something wrapped up in this. Stop! Oh my God! You got me the Harry Potter Gryffindor eyeshadow palette! Oh my God. Determination, bravery, and courage. Oh my God. Thank you so much. These are the colors right here. They don't scream Gryffindor colors. They're a little bit too dark to be Gryffindor colors. It should have been like bright red and yellow, but it's still a really beautiful palette. Nonetheless, it's a Harry Potter palette. Harry Potter. That is so freaking cool. Oh, and it actually has like some Harry Potter names like Mandrake and Howler and Chocolate Frog. Oh my God, thank you so much. And then she also got me a Hufflepuff palette. Oh, that is so cute. Now this now screams more Hufflepuff, and it's also a really pretty color scheme, yellow and purple. Ooh, that is beautiful. What? Now all I need to get is Ravenclaw and Slytherin, and my collection's complete. Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? That is so cool. And it says dedication, loyalty, and patience. Oh, that really means so much to me. Thank you so much. I legit am the hugest Harry Potter fan, and my sister is moving to England, and she knows how much I'm a big fan of Harry Potter, and I collect all the books. I have all the soft cover books, all the hardcover books. I have all the illustrated books, and then I also have this new one that she just got me. It's not in my car. It's in Corey's car at the moment, but it's this new like pop-up Harry Potter book that you can get from England, and every single page is illustrated and or has a pop-up feature to it. It is so freaking cool. I'll have it like pictured right here so you guys can see it. It is the coolest freaking thing. My sister got it for me and she gave it to me when we were packing up the house. I don't want to talk about it out loud because I'll become an emotional little shit again. I don't know if it's just like her leaving or whatnot, but it's made me very emotional. Anytime I think about it, I do start to cry because it's my sister, and I know I could FaceTime her, but it just isn't the same not having her here. It's like she'll be in a different freaking continent, you know, but that is so sweet. I actually thought about buying something like this for my sister. She doesn't really wear makeup, but just to like have Harry Potter. So this, oh my God, Stacy, this is so cool. It's Harry Potter. Oh, this just made my day. Oh, this is so cool. I don't even want to open these. I just want to cherish them forever because they're Harry Potter. Now you're making me, now I gotta go buy Ravenclaw and Slytherin at some point. Stacey! Damn, that's so sweet. Okay. All right, so next she put a little Ofra highlighter in here, and oh, it's not a highlighter, it's a banana powder. Oh, it's a banana powder. So this is great for applying under eye. I actually never used this before, so that's gonna be exciting. I'm definitely want to give that a use. She also did write in her letter that she threw in 2 of these Jeffree Star Cosmetics. They're unused, never been touched. She pulled them out of the pack. She put the 2 colors in here, like my favorite colors from Jeffree Star. It's the Unicorn Blood and Red Rum color right here. So I will go ahead and put these into a No Waste Wednesday because I actually do have a miniature version of this. And now I have the full-size versions of these as well. So I don't need to hoard on to these, but I do know these are absolutely stunning, truly stunning. So I hope somebody out there really, really gets to enjoy these colors because they are phenomenal. Last but not least, she also threw in a Beauty by Sugar Pop. This is Be Racy Liquid Velvet Lip. Ooh, it's like a really beautiful peachy color. That is beautiful. Oh, ooh, you smell so good too. That is so cool. Stacy, that was so sweet of you. Like I said, guys, you guys never have to send me anything at all. But the fact that you guys think about me whenever you do something like this, you guys have no idea like how much the thought alone means to me. Like you literally took the time out of your day to curate products, put stuff in here, write a little letter and send it my way. Like it means so much to me. So Stacy, thank you so much for this beautiful, beautiful mystery box. I really enjoy it. I really do enjoy these items right here. I didn't know how much. I literally told you guys I wasn't going to buy these because I wasn't like the biggest fan of the color scheme. But like now that they're in my hands, I'm like, it's Harry Potter. It's so nice. So thank you so much for this, for the banana powder, for the lip products, for the candy, and for the beautiful letter about yourself as well. Your letter actually was making me laugh, especially when you did reference about the 70s and 80s. Oh my God, you had me laughing. So thank you seriously so much. Thank you so much to Julia for writing me a very beautiful letter. I look forward to writing back to you. And thank you to Melissa Clayton. I definitely would love to write you back. I just don't have an address to send you back a card, but this was so much fun. I love doing videos like this. It's a way for me just to sit back, relax, and just talk to you guys. At the end of the day, I am talking into a camera, but it's just nice knowing that there are people here who generally just want to watch me for me. And this is why that, you know, sometimes I do get frustrated with giveaways, but at the end of the day, you guys make it all worth it because you guys show such beautiful moments. And I literally I can never say thank you guys enough. I don't think you guys realize the true amount of gratitude that I have for each and every one of you. I don't know how else to express it, but thank you each and every single time that I talk to you guys and write you guys letters and do my giveaways. Like, you guys have no idea. I have literally worked hard and talked to some brands to collaborate on my 12 days of giveaway coming up. I literally am looking so forward to it. You guys have no idea. You guys are making me cheerful for this season. I was cheerful, and then when I found out my sister got approved to go to England, I got really, really upset. Very happy for her, but I got upset because it's like, damn, this would be the first Christmas and holiday season I'm going to spend without my sister in 31 years. That's my whole life. My whole life I've had her there, and that really is like a sad moment for me, but you guys have made it so beautiful with all your kind words, your encouragement, and knowing that I'm doing this giveaway has still made me look forward to the holiday season. I'm still in the Christmas spirit, and I can't wait. So thank you guys so much. Thank you, Stacy, Julia, Melissa. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you guys, and yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day, every other day, just depending. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It's R for Life, that you guys get to see with my cool, wonderful, amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Aww. Harry Potter! Ooh, determination, brave. Harry Potter. Is it Ravenclaw? Now all I need to get is Ravenclaw. Harry Potter. This is why, like, no matter how many times I get, this is why. This is why. Harry Potter. Sorry, I'm gonna get carried away. It is a unicorn and red room.